No. Put it down. You used it already inside.
I use it for me.
Yeah, sanitizer.
Because the minute I told them I have a smoker's cough as a smoker, they said, "Oh, you gotta wear a mask." I said, "This is not." Do you realize how?
Don't stop doing this, honey.
Popeyes.
Ngayon, nakatanggap sila ng sulat kung ano, kung mag-open pa ba sila or ano.
Good morning, Philippines.
Morning. Shower sana ako kagabi, hindi ako nag-shower kasi yung pakiramdam ko masama. So this morning, shower sana ako, hindi ko nag-shower.
What?
So pasensya na sa ano bangs ko kasi ano, but anyway. So yun siya, kailangan kong i-ano itong bangs. Nakaka-disturbo. Aalis lang kami, ang pangit talaga.
Oh no.
Kailangan ko ng ano, headband. Hanap lang ako ng headband.
You got the other folders?
Huh? Yeah. You got the folders yours?
Oh.
What is that?
So, 1240 destination address.
Let's get it. Hi guys, good morning. So how 1 hour drive from here?
I told you. I'm gonna tell you. Andrew says it's at least 45 minutes.
This is crazy. I thought it's gonna be close here.
You want me to drive? I can drive a little faster.
No.
After
Faster.
500 feet,
What?
bear left.
Do you have your check? You have your wallet? You have your stuff?
Wallet's here.
We're late guys, so we're like kind of like, because my husband takes forever.
Took forever. That's funny. I was downstairs and you were still in the shower or in the bathroom, whatever.
Well, I'm, you know,
So how am I taking forever? I was ready, finished my shower downstairs, getting dressed, but I take forever. It's nice, huh?
no, because you are the one who showered.
Right, I have to shower. I'm going to a doctor. It's disgusting to go to a doctor without showering. There's no respect at all for a doctor.
Me, I don't shower guys because when I turn my water, it's not freaking hot because he shower upstairs too. So I don't want him to give up cold water. I mean, the house is fine. I just don't want to give him problem because
I
he's
should have
in
been a
a...
lobster. You boil me, I'm happy.
You know what? You boil your foot once, remember?
Yeah, well, that wasn't great, but...
We're heading over there, guys. And this is appointment of neurologist for his back. And I won't get in because they won't let me. It's fine with me because I'm worried.
Welcome to Central.
Yeah. And Tommy need to be careful when we get there.
Corona.
And you keep singing that since yesterday.
So even if you think you're young and you're healthy and it doesn't matter and you're going to get it and it's not going to make a difference because you'll just get over it, you don't know. Who knows what it does to you down the road. And you don't know what effect it might have if you're having children. We've had other diseases that have affected your ability to have normal children.
Oh, gee. So what do you feel this morning? He's in bad pain, guys.
Yeah, my pain has nothing to do with what's going on in the world.
But this morning, he's like struggling. Until now, he's in pain, but like...
Yeah, well, sometimes mornings get to be the most painful part of the day.
He moans.
We don't need to say that.
Like, oh. I feel bad when he does it because he never does it. When he's in pain, he carried his body even he's in pain. But if he is like making noises in pain, it tells you that he can't take the pain. So hopefully this doctor...
They're not going to have any answers today. Hopefully they can get authorization to do the proper test and we can actually find something out within the next couple of weeks.
You think that he will give you a painkiller?
They got a tractor or something.
Huh?
Will he give you painkiller? I'm sure everybody's offering to give you painkillers. I don't want painkillers. I want to get rid of whatever's wrong.
I know, but while waiting for the whole thing.
Maybe.
Hanap tayo ng magandang parking. Malaki yung parking dito. Ay, so andun siya. Hintayin natin siya dito. And tingnan natin. Ang layo pala dito sa bahay. Mga 45 minutes. Akala ko malapit lang. Sabi ni Tammy, dapat doon tayo kukuha ng appointment na malapit sa doon sa county namin. Ang laki pala ng county na ito. Ang layo, 45 minutes. Hindi man nila ako papasukin din kasi bawal. Anyway, so yun. And so yun guys, i-update ko kayo kung anong mga kaganapan ni Tammy guys. Anong mangyayari. Nanonood lang ako ng Facebook, Instagram, YouTube. 10 o'clock. So 30 minutes na sa well actually yeah, 30 minutes na. More than 30 minutes na sa Tammy sa loob. Sana okay din kayo dyan. Tumawag ako sa sister ko kanina. Sabi pa niya may curfew na daw 7 o'clock. 7 o'clock doon curfew. So, nasa bahay na lahat. Wala ng tao sa labas. Meron din akong nakikita sa Facebook na nagpo-post ng mga barangay-barangay na sobrang quiet na. Yeah, quiet na. Wala ng tao. Dito kami guys. Look, yan yung building. So, yung parking dito is palaki and then empty. I mean, hindi naman talaga empty na empty, pero yeah. Yun. Diyan si Tammy pumunta. He's here. So, he's kind of bringing some... Okay, sanitizer.
Yeah, mask on.
No. Put it down. You used it already inside.
I use it for me.
Yeah, sanitizer.
Because the minute I told them I have a smoker's cough as a smoker, they said, "Oh, you gotta wear a mask." I said, "This is not." Do you realize how overkill you use this stuff?
Because you need it badly. You just went to the public area.
Bathing in it doesn't make a difference. It's not like
you have to do inside here.
It doesn't make any. It doesn't do any better by bathing.
It will.
No,
it will.
It just takes longer for it to absorb.
Do you want me to spit?
You're like craziness, huh?
Do you want me to add more saliva? Okay, so tell me what's the thing now before we keep going.
I wish I could tell you. I don't know.
What?
He doesn't know. He's ordering MRIs, but honestly, he goes, I don't know what's causing the pain. He goes, I'm not even sure why you're a neurologist. He goes, you probably should have seen an orthopedic surgeon. I said, well, everybody told me neurologist, so. He goes, well, look, we'll try and get the MRI approved. He goes, but I don't know that
okay, so when are they going this MRI?
So he says, if not, you may have want to go forward and see an orthopedic surgeon. Apparently, neurologist has to do with
kidney?
The nerves that run in the spine, but not the spine itself.
Okay,
who the hell knows how all this crap works?
So what is this spine thingy? What kind of...
The spine is your main part of your body that everything runs through. It's your back, basically your back.
Okay, so what is that? Is that a different thing? Is it a different name of the doctor?
Yeah, it's a different doctor.
What else they said? You've been there for long. Oh my God, you smoke. Open the window. I'm gonna open it.
He said it's kind of baffling. He goes, he doesn't understand why they didn't do more in the hospital. Because you were in the hospital a week. He goes, they didn't do
route recalculation.
You're asking me why.
At end of the road, turn left.
Because my kidney issues. I don't see that your kidneys are all that
in
bad.
200 feet, turn left.
It's not like you're going to go to dialysis or anything anytime soon. I said, well, that's not what they told me. He said, well, because I'm looking at their scans and I don't see that.
And we have to keep doing this, huh? Yeah.
I don't know where to go. Do I start trying to get an orthopedic surgeon? I don't know.
Oh my God.
Just have to wait till it gets worse before they say, oh, okay. I don't know. He said, they may approve it because it's been going on so long and you're still in this much pain. They may approve it for that. He goes, but they want to see you do 8 weeks of physical therapy. Okay.
Physical therapy? You can walk.
That's what I tell them. I can't bend, but they want me to bend. I'm like, how does that work?
We're not stopping nowhere.
Pecco. I want catnips.
Hi, Tommy. No, next time you drive, huh?
I told you that before when we came here. Hon, your little man wants.
I don't care.
You want to finish my cigarette, or you want to wait till I finish my cigarette? Then I'll go inside. Make no difference. You can park right there, hon. You got a space right there.
So I'll go in there.
Okay.
In the back, hon. You can probably it's safer in the back.
The trunk?
Yeah, in the trunk.
No, it's fine.
No, it's not. I'll do it myself.
Why, huh?
No, I'll do it myself. I'll do it.
It's fine.
No.
It's just gonna roll around in the trunk.
Okay, close that.
All right, now give me 2 drops, and you put some because you just touch those. That's it.
Burger King, hun. Oh. Walmart, hun. Oh.
Burger King is right there.
Oh.
Right there. Right frickin' there.
You know what, honey?
We can get Whoppers to go.
Nope. You really want? Stop. This is the guys.
You want a Whopper or chicken sandwich?
No. No, I wanna eat what's in the house. But if we get sick, honey, if I die, I'm done. I think they do only no,
Forget it.
forget it.
There's no password. Oh yeah, the password's right here.
No, I don't want to.
Right
Let's
there,
go.
right there.
No, let's go home. I don't want to know. I don't want to know.
It's 2 feet away. Maryann, there's something wrong to you. Watch this guy.
I know. I have stop sign here.
Yeah, well, she's waiting for you to go.
Go. He's in the right
Sitting there
way.
saying, well, I've been waiting for you this long. Now
I have a stop sign.
You got a stop sign too, apparently.
Okay. Honey, don't stop doing this, honey.
Popeyes. You love Popeyes.
No. I don't care. There is this is the
Oh, please.
in the
Hon, every city in the country has this virus. So that means what? You can't go anywhere? I'm thinking about
that's
that.
why quarantining yourself. Stay home.
Okay. Then.
That's what the doctor said.
Then you better start growing your own cows.
Can I just tell you something, honey? The nurses and doctors said they stay at the hospital to work, okay? So what you should do now is stay at your house to protect them too. So
guys, my wife is extreme. I understand that, but you can't cease to function. I mean, you have to still be able to function somehow.
yeah, we have food in the house. We're good. This is not forever, hon.
Keep something in mind. Yeah, well, you're looking at a long run here.
Yeah, but this
keep
is
something in
forever.
mind. You're gonna run out of food long before anything gets better, and it'll get worse. Then you're gonna sit there and say, "Oh, now I'm going out when it's worse." It's go out now, and maybe your food will last a little longer.
Well, you know what? Do we have? You think Popeyes will last long? We have
No,
two
Popeyes-
freezers in the
No,
house.
I'm saying, but so the food you got in the freezer will last longer because you're doing some other stuff in between. You're not just using up everything you got.
So when is your next appointment?
I don't know.
You said 3 weeks.
3 weeks here, 2 weeks in it's been 3 weeks in the other doctor too. That should be interesting.
How many doctors you have appointment?
One for the kidneys, one for here.
Oh, you have appointment over the top?
Oh yeah.
I have to write it down because or else you will forget and ignore this shit. They will call you and
That one's on a Monday. This one's on a Thursday. So at least I know they're not hitting each other.
yeah, but they will call you before this appointment day.
I hope so, but who knows?
Turn left at the gas station.
No, here.
Hala.
Left.
I know. It's too late.
Okay.
Shit.
It is too late.
So I'm gonna-
You turn right here.
In 600 feet, turn sharp right onto Tammany Street.
And you turn here?
I guess you're gonna turn here, right?
No, I can go here in this here.
Yeah, you
Can
can.
I? Huh?
Yeah.
Dito na kami, guys. Okay.
Yeah, I grilled cheese. You want grilled cheese?
You want grilled cheese?
Yeah, why not?
Okay,
What?
I'll make it for you. So I know how to do.
I'll make it.
Like I don't know how to make it.
I can do it.
So this house is freezing cold. Guys, can I put it to 70, han?
Yes.
It's been 69 since it's winter.
62, and then at night I put it up to 68 for a couple hours. So
Why is that? Why you low it very low?
because there's no point. I don't know if
I dropped Tommy's machine. Hope, thank God this doesn't break. If it's break, every day, guys, we talk oregano oil and this olive leaf, honey, extract. Yeah. For some reason, guys, I can tell you if I get like kinda chill, it helps me, guys. Last night, because I feel like not feeling good, that's why I don't take shower last night. And then that's why before we go to bed, I said we have to take this, honey, and it makes me feel. Why is
It's an
that?
antimicrobial, guys. It will help fight bacterial and viral stuff in your body. You take.
Oregano oil, guys. And Tommy take 3, I take 2. I cannot
Well,
take.
you're supposed to take 3 and 3 drops.
Concerned about those kind of things with this drug.
Yeah, thank you for that question, because I just want to be clear about this.
Shower na tayo guys, pero tignan nyo tong mga babies ko dito. Pahinga si Tami kasi masakit yung ano niya. Nanonood lang kami ng news. Dito na sila natutulog. Dito na kami natutulog guys. Bakit? Para ano lang, komportable yung buhay. Ginawa ko lang siya para sa asawa ko. Yung bed hindi namin ginagamit. Doon na din ako natutulog sa couch.
So let's go, guys!
Ayan guys, dito ko kayo nilagay. Anyway, tapos surprise ko na tayo. May kausap yung asawa ko na. Yung pinsan niya na lalaki. Itong asawa ko guys, may sasabihin daw siya sa inyo. Iwan ko, sabi niya, let's go film outside. So, punta daw kami sa labas. Pero kung ano man yung masasabihin niya, I'm sure mataas. So, separate video natin yun. Separate video kasi for sure mataas yung mga pinagsasabi niya. Ito na lang yung anuhan ng camera, yung sugar. Sabi pa niya, suotin mo na yung robe ko. Kinuha na yung cushion dito kasi walang cushion dito. Sabi niya, kunin ko yun, sa labas tayo. Sabi ko, bakit? Gusto mong manigarilyo while filming? Nandito na. Anyway. So, tignan natin kung ano sasabihin niya. I-separate ko na lang yung mga sasabihin niya, guys, ha? Kasi, hindi ko talaga. No. I'll get you coffee.
What are you talking about? You want some drink? What are you talking
No, I don't want to. I'm not talking. You said you're gonna film. I don't know. Okay, no. Don't start with the cigarette. You need this, hon. You need this. Okay, dito. Okay guys, tapos na kaming nag-film. Nakita na ninyo yun. And it's cold. I'm going inside. Do you want this? Okay, like the woodpecker. Hey, don't even start picking the thing.
That's not the woodpecker.
Yes, it is. Kapag edit ako ng isang video guys, dito ako nag-edit. Kasi gusto ko dito ako palibot ni Tami. Pero si Tami...
Speak it over the thing.
Roxy's looking
What? You were too tired to lift your head a minute ago.
Roxy's looking what we're doing here. Look, she's coming. She's coming. Oh my God. Honey, she is funny, hon. The way she's speaking. Sabi pa ni Tami, try namin kinausap si Roxy. Pero, hindi nakinig. So ngayon, sa sabi ni Tami, I'm gonna eat something. Look. Kaloka itong si Roxy. Look. Punta sana ako ng Walmart pero I'm going tomorrow. Han, are they open 24 hours, Han?
I don't know. They're changing store hours.
They change?
Maybe Target did.
So, bukas. I don't know what time. I'm going to research, guys, kung what time yung Walmart mag-open. Kasi, pag mag-open sila early, that means, I don't know, Tammy told me that early, the very first hour of store opening, the elderly. Right?
Some stores.
Some store, elderly yung mag-ano, and yun. Yun, nag-snack sa Tami, and I told him, you cannot really snack yani a lot. I'm going to cut this. I feel bad to cut this though. Olive oil po yung mga gamit namin guys kapag magisa. Because hindi siya, talagang masama. Stir fry ko lang siya yan. And simple. Ito. And ito. So, construction is na lang. Hi guys, malaking problema. Naghiga-higa kami doon, pero yung nabasa ng asawa ko sa email, may ano ba, yung sulat na ano, yung sarado yung trabaho niya, walang, hindi alam kung mag-open ba, ganon-ganon, and sabi pa ni Tami, baka ano, hindi na babalik. Kung matagalan talaga to, hindi na to babalik. Ang pinoproblema ko, yung bahay guys, bahay, pagkain, yung mga bill namin, ang dami. Hindi natin alam kung anong mga mangyayari, no? Sabi ko sa kanya, wag mong ibenta yung ano mo doon, kasi may ano paupahan doon siya sa Florida. Wag mong ibenta, doon tayo titira. Ano, wala naman yung bayaran monthly, wala naman. Pero sabi pa niya, hindi daw maganda daw, pero okay daw yun kung magkaano-ano man yung mga problema dito, mga anik-anik. Maganda daw doon, pero meron kaming 4 na alaga, 'di ba? Si yung aso 2, yung pusa 2. Kapag may pundo kasi, hindi pwede ka merong alaga. Yun yung ano nila, parang policy nila ba? Na hindi ka pwedeng mag-alaga ng mga hayop. Isda lang daw, isda pwede, sabi niya. So, yun lang, report ko lang sa inyo na ganito yung mga nangyayari dito. Ngayon, nakatanggap sila ng sulat kung ano, kung mag-open pa ba sila or ano. Baka sirado na talaga. Kasi sabi kasi nila matagal talaga daw itong masugpo. Itong problema.
And then what made you end up going to the hospital?
Well, initially, the next day I had a doctor. And we're going to treat it. But you don't have the virus. You don't have the same signs. You don't have the same symptoms.
Say it while it's fresh in your mind, because that's what you're like, oh.
Guys, my husband reminds me, oh, you don't sell to your No, I'm just kidding. Guys, okay, I want to be honest, guys. Okay, white rice is life, whatever. But yeah, Tommy is right. He just want me to tell you guys that Spanish rice is better than white rice. Actually, it's nice because there's flavor, there is olives, there is chickpeas, and
Made from what rice? It's not like special rice.
made from white rice. He put sofrito, a lot of garlic and onion, and a lot of olive. He just reminded me to tell you guys that Spanish rice is
So she says that when she eats it, and then asks if she don't have it for a while, she goes, no, it's not. I don't really like Spanish rice much. And then when she has it again, oh yeah, it's really, really good.
because you know the olive, he doesn't put salt, but it's tasty.
We just find ways to make it tasty.
And also he made chicken, remember, to bring to mom's best friend and Queens, the old lady we dropped. The chicken,
Old lady, it's not nice to say.
the old lady, guys.
You
It's
won't say that.
okay. Then I don't say it. Bleep. so the chicken is really good. He don't put salt, nothing. He just buried it with lemon.
Lemon, garlic, onion.
And it's really good. That's not real, Sid. We can eat it. Anyway, guys, it's already 7:30. Hey, can I just go alone tomorrow, Han?
Zero new domestic
You stay home?
cases in one day. Is this a real turning point?
Because I wanna go early, Han.
We're live in Shanghai.
Han. But I go early.
We should go in the middle of the night with nobody there. If they're open.
No, you don't even know. Oh, I will tell you guys, when we are driving from the doctor's appointment, driving back home, we saw these people line up in this street that there's no business whatsoever, but there is one store. Okay, one store. But the people are lined up. And you know what they're buying, guys? Guns. I asked Tommy, why people buying guns instead of food? So, yun yung mga ginagawa ng tao ngayon. Kasi nakakatakot na ba? Puro nang para ng zombie ba? Zombie apocalypse na. Anyway guys, so yun, I will see you guys tomorrow. Mag-edit lang ako guys, and dito ako mag-edit sa dining. May hinahanap yan, I don't know. What are you looking? We have tons of food. We have tons of food. We're not buying anymore like frozen stuff. But anyway, guys, Han. Say bye-bye, Han.
Bye, guys.
Bye, guys. See you tomorrow. And yes, see you tomorrow. Mag-edit lang ako, guys, ha?